Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have QuickTime open and the recording started. Now stop it properly. To begin, move your cursor to the menu bar where the small stop icon appears. This is the quickest control. Once done, you can also press Command-Control-ESC if the menu icon is hidden, because that sends a stop signal to QuickTime. Make sure to avoid quitting QuickTime directly before stopping, since that can corrupt the temporary file. Instead, stop first and then save. Now you need to stop and secure the file. Do not rush. Click the stop icon on the menu bar. This finalizes the temporary recording into a preview window so you can inspect it. If the icon is hidden, press Command-Control-ESC to force stop while preserving the file. This works because it tells QuickTime to end the capture cleanly. Once you see the preview, make sure to play a few seconds to confirm audio and video synced before exporting or saving. Finish by saving and handling problems calmly. Choose File, then Save or Export as to set a name, location, and resolution. This ensures the temporary capture is written to disk correctly. If stopping fails, force quit QuickTime only after checking Activity Monitor for stuck processes, then reopen QuickTime to recover. If the saved file seems corrupted, try duplicating the file, reopening the duplicate, or using QuickTime's autosave. This often restores playable content without complicated recovery tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.